Hi, in this video, we will be discussing the logic and the Python program to convert time in seconds to hours, minutes and seconds format. Let's discuss the workflow first. Once the program has started, we need a provision to enter the time in seconds. So I'm giving the value 10205, which is stored in a variable called time. We know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds and 1 hour equals 60 minutes, which again equals 60 into 60 seconds, that is 3600 seconds. So, in order to calculate the number of hours in a given time, we can divide it with 3600, which may result in a fractional number. Here, we got the answer, that is 2.8347. But we won't say that it's 2.8347 hours. Instead, we say it's 2 hours and some remaining minutes and seconds. So, I'm just taking the integer part only from the division and store it in a variable called hours. Now, we got the first part of the solution. Now, we need to calculate the minutes and seconds. So, we have separated the hours from time and now the remaining contains the combination of minutes and seconds. That remaining value can be calculated by finding the remainder of time divided by 3600. For that, we can use the mod operator which finds the remainder after the division and stores in a variable called min second combination, that is min underscore second underscore comp. So this variable currently have the remaining time in seconds. In order to calculate how many minutes in this remaining time, we can divide it with 60, then saving into a variable called min underscore fraction whose value is 50.833. Again, we need to take the floor value. Taking the floor value and saving into a variable called minutes whose value is 50 and the remaining value is the seconds, and we can calculate that by min seconds combination mod 60, that is the combination of minutes and seconds divided by 60 gives some remainder, that is exactly the number of remaining seconds. Then finally we are printing the output and the program ends. Let's see the output, that is 10205 seconds is equal to 2 hours, 50 minutes and 5 seconds. Even if you haven't installed Python in your system, we can run the Python code through the Colab. Then opening a new notebook. First of all, we need to have a provision to enter the time in seconds. So I'm using the input function, printing the message, that is enter the time in seconds. Okay, and converting that into int. Because input function returns a string value, I'm converting it into int and storing in a variable called time. Okay, what is the next step? We need to divide it with 3600 to get the number of hours. So time divided by 3600 will give us the number of hours. Let's print that value. We'll see what it results. Okay, running this code. Okay, I'm entering the value 10205, enter it, which results 2.8347. So we need to find the floor value. Instead of using the function, I have an operator, that is floor division operator, which represents double division symbol. Okay, let's see what it results. We just got the integer part. So in the single step, we have divided it with 3600 and took the floor function. So it is the number of hours. Basically what we did is got some time in seconds and converted into hours. We can find the remaining time by time modulus 3600, okay, which is the remaining time. So I'm naming the variable as remaining time. Okay, now remaining time is a combination of minutes and seconds. So how do we calculate the number of minutes in this remaining time? We can divide this by 60. Okay, remaining time divided by 60, which results the number of minutes. Okay, this minutes may be a fractional value. So we need to find the floor function. So I'm using the floor division here instead of floor function. Both are same. Okay, now the final part is to calculate the number of remaining seconds. For that, remaining time mod 60 will give the remainder after the division. Okay, which is the number of seconds. Okay. Let's print the value using the f string. Okay, print, I'm using the f string. So in the f string, we can use the variable name itself. So which will replace the value while printing. So I'm using the time variable here. So time in seconds equals, then variable name, which is enclosed in a curly brackets, which is equals this much hours and this much minutes, and finally this much seconds. Okay, so these four are the variable names and these are replaced with its value while printing. Okay, let's run this code again and see the results. 10205. Okay, the result is 10205 second. I'm sorry, there are some spelling mistakes. Seconds. Okay, 10205 seconds equals 2 hours, 50 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.